Sometimes you just have to roll with the punches because things don't always go as you intended. Hola, hi fashion dollars. My name is Christopher y bienvenidos to Just Christopher TV. In today's video, things are gonna be different. So, a little heads up. The other day, I had filmed my reaction and unboxing to both Vanessa and Naja. Naja's video will be coming in a few days. I filmed it. I didn't check it. I thought all was good. I released the community post saying the videos were coming. I go to edit the videos and all 4 clips of my intros and reactions had no sound. So, I can't recreate those things because by now the boxes have been thrown out, so the dolls have been styled. It just, yeah. So, for those that have been around here and have joined me for numerous times, this video is going to be just a sad bit different. There will be no reaction and unboxing in this video because that moment is gone. It's like flat out gone. So there's nothing I can do about it. So here's what's gonna happen. I will be showing you how the doll was intended on the turntable, as I usually do. Then we are going to check out every item the doll came with, one by one. And then we're gonna go to the fashion show. I was gonna do the restyle, but it's a restyle fashion show, either way you look at it. And in this particular restyle / fashion show, I am actually going to be using the items that she came with and mixing those up while also putting her in a whole new look that has been pretty much waiting for her. And I have to say, I'm looking over at her because she's already in it. This girl was like made for this look. Like she is owning this whole thing. It's actually quite beautiful. So without further ado, my apologies. Kind of just have to make things work. Here is my review, technically. There's no reaction anymore, but it is a review on Vanessa Perrin, the 2026 W Club registration doll. As standard with any Integrity Toys purchase, we have our certificate of authenticity. As we see here, the edition size for this doll was quite low. It is 1,735. I must say, I am a little surprised by that. But you know, maybe the lack of accessories, alternative outfit pieces might have affected her. Those were some of the things I was considering. And of course, another staple with an Integrity Toys purchase is our doll stand. As you see here, this is the acrylic clear base with the FR logo and our saddle stand stick. I'm over here talking extra because I've never mentioned this thing, but it's called a saddle, right? It looks like a saddle. Yeah, it has to be that. Sure. So along with her posing hands, this doll also includes holding hands, as we see here. Now, the jewelry for this doll is fun. Jesse had mentioned mixing silver and gold. I don't know why this is not focusing. There we go. And he definitely really enjoyed that in this collection. As you see here, the ring is like a silver base, but the middle is gold. I don't know why it's playing with me today and not focusing. There we go. Do you see that? Do you see like that? Like, it's not even in stone. It's just like the middle is gold and then the outside of the ring is silver. And you'll see that continuation throughout all the jewelry. As we see here, we're continuing that silver and gold motif with the earrings. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like this is a new design. I don't think I've seen these before, and I quite love them. Now, the bracelets are fun. Are fun. I don't know what I just said, but you get the drift. Because we have 2 gold bangles, 2 silver bangles, 2 pink ones, and I think this is to, like, I'm not gonna say match because it's not the same color, but to like marry the shoes into the look, complement the shoes. Maybe that's a better word. And last, 2 lavender bangles, which then tie in our bag. I love the bag design here because although it's a very classic envelope clutch, it is an extended long envelope clutch. And then for the hardware, we're continuing that silver and gold motif. So we have 1 silver and 1 gold side. And I really just love the mixture of playing with things like that because the silver and the gold look lovely with the lavender. Excited to add this lovely clutch to the collection. Before I move on to some of the smaller accessories, let's take a look at the shoes. So you see here, the shoes are not really pink. They're more like a peach coral color. That's why I was like the bracelets are pink, but the shoes are not. But they still tie in very nicely with the whole overall look story of the collection. The shoes just have gold little balls, literally is what they are, just little balls. But unlike the jewelry, they're just gold. So it's not like gold and silver. These are all just gold. That's the thread there. It's not anything like crazy. I love the mesh, and I was a little hesitant about the ankle strap because they could be stressful. But these are quite easy to slide on as they are, so I was happy about that. This doll also comes with a pair of sunglasses, and if I'm going to be completely honest, I think I'm ready for a new shape. Like, I don't know, I feel like I've always seen this one at FR, and I'm ready for the girls to have something a little different. I'd love me an oversized pair of sunnies, but I just want a different style. Now for the very cute props that were included with this doll, we have a lipstick because, I mean, the FR girls always have to go with their jewelry. And of course, you can open it up and it is the same shade that Vanessa is currently wearing. Now, the cutest prop in this whole shebang of little accessories is the passport. Now, what's so funny about Vanessa's is, do you see that? It says Repubblica Francesa. My girl got a French passport, ladies and gentlemen. And then you would think like, oh, that's cute. You know, it's this burgundy color. We have something in the front, but oh no, it's IT. There's actual info inside and a photo with her signature. Again, die for the details, die. Stunning, beautiful, iconic. Love it. Her signature is really pretty, by the way. I wish, girl. I wish. Now, let's get into the clothes, shall we? As we all know, she comes with an extra top, a little bra top that matches her skirt. Now, I said this in my reaction video when the registration dolls were released. I would have loved to see a pair of panties to go with the top. I understand it's to give the like skirt a different look, but it would have been so fun for her to have like a bathing suit kind of out of this whole situation, especially because she's more of a like resort girl and she's traveling. But you know, here we are, just a top in the same fabric as the skirt and other top that she has, and it has a hook as a closure in the back. Pretty simple bra design, but very cute nonetheless. Here we have our skirt, which looks pretty simple, but it's not. The skirt does have built-in panties. I don't know if you could see them through the light right over there. And again, I would have loved a separate piece to go with the bra top, but it is what it is. The skirt has the same fabric that was used in the bra top. We have a slit in the back. We have the beautiful gold and silver balls as weights for the string. And the beauty of the skirt is it kind of is, let me just get it from this angle. It's like a little bit higher in the front. So this ties around her waist. So you have this like low back situation going on. Very cute for the resorts. And we have hook closures in the back. So again, in theory, a simple design, but it has just the right elements to like spice it up. And now last but not least, our high and low top, made out of the same fabric as the skirt and bra top. Here we see the same little gems that we saw in the skirt on our top. This is a halter top design. We have hooks for closure in the back. And you can see here we have this mesh pattern right under. And this is kind of like the top per se. So like this fits on her really nicely while everything else hangs. Pretty straightforward, pretty clean sewing. And again, I would have loved to see a pair of panties just to like mix and match. I really think that would have just taken it just to the right little notch. That and maybe an oversized bag. And I think I'm only comparing because Naja has so many like bigger items, but any hoot. I love this. And this is the item I'm gonna restyle later. I know I didn't show the bra top in the turntable either, so I'll show that in the fashion show as well. But I was really excited to see this top in person because I've been dying to pair it with something else. So this fashion show, we're gonna like really play with all the items and mix and match a lot. But before we get to the fashion show, we have to take a look at our model up close and personal. Ah, this color of the eyes is just stunning. I cannot wait to get my friend to remove the eyelashes. Eyelashes lately, I feel like have been blocking the eye contact for the dolls. So I've just been loving removing them. Love, love, love the color of the hair. Love how shiny it is. My ponytail, if I'm going to be nitpicking, it is a bit to the side. It's not straightforward, but it is what it is. We love her nonetheless. I will say my first reaction when I took her to the box was something about her makeup and screening is giving very like pageant doll. I follow a lot of pageantry accounts with Integrity Toys dolls, and her screening, the makeup, like something about it just yells pageant for me, and I love that. As you all see, she's in the standard FR body, same points of articulation. Fabulous model. I'm so excited for all the things they're about to wear. All the things they're about to wear. Let's look at them.